Please note this install video was created using a Ford F-150, but installation should be similar on most trucks. Please refer to your instructions for more details or contact us with any questions. Give your rear wheel wells superior protection and a striking new look with Rough Country's rear wheel well liners made of high-density polyethylene plastic. These durable liners help conceal the unsightly gap between the body and frame, which is more noticeable after lifting. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, start on the passenger side. Use a ratchet to remove the screw located in the rear inner area of the wheelhouse. Locate the screw on the bottom of the front area of the fender flare, then loosen the screw to half length. Locate the two holes at the back area of the wheelhouse and insert one J-clip in each hole. Mount the inner wheel well liner marked as PS inside the inner panel of the wheelhouse. Insert the bottom sides behind the metal flange. Insert the upper section of the plastic liner behind the metal flange, making sure all edges are inside the metal wheel well house edge. Locate the two pre-drilled holes at the back of the inner wheel well liner and install the two screws provided. Reinstall the screw removed from the inner area of the wheelhouse. Finally, tighten the screw on the bottom of the fender flare that was loosened in a previous step. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle to complete this installation. Rough Country's rear wheel well liners offer an extra barrier of protection to help shield your wheel wells from rocks, mud, salt, and harsh weather. With all the small, hard to clean areas covered, cleanup is fast and simple. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.